freaking sunglasses.
It reminds me of the very dense city of Manila.
And,
The lights. It's giving light pollution.
di ko mag-gets.
Diyos ko, Nika. Light pollution refers to the excessive, misdirected, and intrusive artificial light that distracts the natural environment and affects human, animal, and ecological health. It typically occurs at night and is caused by poorly designed and unnecessary outdoor lighting. Light pollution diminishes the visibility of stars and celestial objects, wastes energy, and creates environmental and health challenges. Break na kami!
Say, ah! Ah! Isn't this romantic?
Yes, indeed.
It's a waste. Hindi natin makita ang view.
Weekend naman ah!
Why? Why? It's going to ruin our imagination. Alam mo naman kung gaano karaming LED lights, mga buildings, at mga unnecessary decorative lights sa baba.
Sa bagay, siya, o na lang.
Ah!
Look at that light! I almost went land! Oh my gosh! What the frog? Ito, in the world is... Look, ang daming na-aksidente, oh! Oh my God! Call the authorities!
Ang sakit ng katawan ko.
Ako rin, kasalanan to ng street light na yan.
Now what are we gonna do while they call for help and we wait?
Let's do stargazing na lang.
Meanwhile,
Walang stars!
Nancy, go to sleep na anak.
Okay, Mommy!
Ano ba yan? Nancy, what did I tell you? Sabi ko matulog ka na. Ang kulit mo talaga. Okay, I will try. Why are you so makulit? Kukunin ko yung cellphone mo.
Mommy, it's not me. It's the kapitbahays. Their lights making my head ache. I can't sleep.
Alam mo, kaka-cellphone mo lang yan.
Mommy, look! Oh, their lights just passing on my window.
At nananawid ka na ha.
Wag, Mommy! Alam mo ba, ang hirap na maghanap ng dagat ngayon.
Bakit naman?
Iyang ilaw na yan, akala ko dagat. Resort swimming pool pala, nakakapagod.
Bakit naman? Hala, baka nakasave ng mga spot mo para sa mga itlog.
Dapat bawal yung ilaw sa beach, bro, para tayong nabubulag sa disco lights.
Tama. Let's petition for dimmer, 30-friendly lighting, at baka free entrance pa sa resort, no?
Oh, hello there, light pollution. Dead in sky, may million stars, so di ba man dati kitang kita, ngayon nagtatago na. Di na makita ang bituin na dating makina. Ang madaming ilaw sa kalsada at bahay, pati sa mga mall kasama mga gadgets nyo. Drop in the spirit tail, ganda ng langit, nag-iiba na. Baby, light, pollution, amotin bahay. May pag-asa pa ba? Mga bituin naman ang magdilingin. Mahiwag ang pollution, kailan kaya siya dilisan? Ganda ng langit nawawala. Mahiwag ang pollution, hindi ka ba napagtakot? Bituin at buwan ang nahihiya. Pollution sa ilaw ay ating bawasan. Pollution sa ilaw, pwede mo bang sabihin? Pollution sa ilaw ay ating bawasan. Pollution sa ilaw ay ating pansinin.
Ano raw ang improper lighting design causing by glare and sky glow? Ano raw? Edi use shielded fixture, adjustable lighting at lighting standard. Wow! Ang galing! Ano raw ang solusyon para sa excessive lighting? Ano raw? Edi use low intensity lighting, turn off lights when not needed, and public awareness campaign. Wow! Ang galing!
Ano raw ang solusyon para sa mga ilaw sa isang urbanized na lugar?
Ano raw?
Edi, kailangan ng lighting zoning at designated dark sky parks at retrofit old lights.
Wow! Ang galing!
E ano naman kaya ang solution for wildlife distraction?
Ano raw?
Either reduce constant lighting or use wildlife-friendly light mode, sensing lights to minimize contact exposure, at create lighting buffers. Sa madaling sabi, use natural lighting design sa lang.
Wow! Ang galing!
Eh kung gusto mong matulog ng maaga para hindi mabuntal lang yung nanay, ano raw ang solusyon?
Ano raw?
Eh di isuggest nyo sa barangay nyo na have outdoor lighting restrictions para sa mga kapitbahay nyong malakas mag-ilaw sa labas. Or if the problem is inside your house, use warmer lighting instead and promote nighttime darkness. First day of Christmas, my city gave to me a shielded light that's bright but free.
On the second day of Christmas, my city gave to me a two-dimmer light.
And a shielded light that's bright and free. On the third day of Christmas, my city gave to me rainbow Christmas
Two-dimmer light.
and a shielded light that's bright and free.
Fourth day of Christmas, my city gave to me
For LED light,
Rainbow Christmas
two-dimmer light.
and a shielded light that's bright and free. On the fifth day of Christmas, my city gave to me
5 dark sky parks, 4 LED lights,
rainbow Christmas
Two-dimmer light.
and a shielded light that's bright and free.
Sixth day of Christmas, my city gave to me
6 street lighting, 5 dark sky parks, 4 LED lights,
Rainbow Christmas
two-dimmer light.
and a shielded light that's bright and free.
On the seventh day of Christmas, my city gave to me.
6 street lighting, 5 dark sky parks, 4 LED lights,
Rainbow Christmas
Two-dimmer light.
and a shielded light that's bright and free.
On the eighth day of Christmas, my city gave to me 8 days for shading.
6 street lighting, 5 dark sky parks, 4 LED lights,
Rainbow Christmas
Two-dimmer light.
and a shielded light that's bright and free. On the ninth day of Christmas, my city gave to me and your divorce.
8 days for shading.
6 street lighting, 5 dark sky parks, 4 LED lights,
Rainbow Christmas
Two-dimmer light.
and a shielded light that's bright and free.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my city gave to me
And hopes with curtains.
street light dimming, 5 dark sky parks, 4 LED lights.
And I should that light that's burden free. On the 10th day of Christmas, my city gave to me. Let me start your sing.
And hope it curtains.
Thank you, divorce. 8 days for shading.
6 street light dimming, 5 dark sky parks, 4 LED lights.
And